Okay. The soft morning sunlight reflected off my rain camera. Today was a pre-wedding photo shoot for a lovely couple. Everything seems perfect until the sky suddenly turned dark and thick clouds roll in within minutes. It started to rain. The groom looked flustered. The bride worried about her dress, and me, I had to come up with a solution. I quickly found a cover spot and used the raindrop as the creative element instead of a problem. In the end, the couple got some of the most romantic and natural photos they could have ever imagined. That is, I learned that being a good photographer isn't just about taking great shots, but it's about solving problems on the spot.